Happy morning to all students. In this session, we will look into the supplementary reader. The title is The Envious Neighbor. Before we move to supplementary reader, we will recall the previous class, which was about learning the game by Sachin Tendulkar. Learning the game is an autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar. He wrote this article tribute to his coach Ramkant Achrekar, and he discussed that how he had been aroused as the good cricketer and Achrekar's most influence in that career. Students, now we will move to The Envious Neighbor supplementary story. The Envious Neighbor is a Japanese folk tale. Dear students, I will introduce the characters in the story. First one, the old man. Second one, the old man's wife. Third character, the neighbor. Fourth character, the neighbor's wife. Last one, the pet dog. Students, before we move to the story, we will go through the mind map of the story, which will help you to know the story. An honest man and his wife lived with a pet dog. Dog went to the garden, stopped at a place and barked. The old couple dug there, found gold and silver. Then they became wealthy. The envious neighbor borrowed the dog and led into the garden. Dog stopped at a spot and sniffed. No treasure found, and the neighbors, dissatisfied, and killed the dog. The honest man felt sad about the death of his pet. Next, dog appeared in dream and suggested to make a mortar. Old man ground his rice in mortar. Each grain of rice turned into treasure. Wicked couple borrowed the mortar and their rice turned into filth. So he broke the mortar and burned it. Wicked couple borrowed the mortar and their rice turned into filth. As a dog again appeared in dream, honest man to take the ashes of burnt mortar and sprinkled on withered trees. Dead trees began to revive. Prince gave him rich rewards. The neighbor also collected the ashes, went to the prince's palace, and scattered the ashes. Ashes flew into the prince's eyes and choked him, and dead trees don't blossom. Envious old man was beaten by the servants of prince. At last, the honest couple sent for them and reproved them, then gave them a share of their riches and wicked couple mended their ways. Dear students, do you like dogs? Do you like pet animals? Likewise, in this story, we also have to see a dog's reflections to a farmer's own life. We will move to the story now. An honest man lived with his wife. They had a pet dog, which they used to feed with fish and tidbit from their own kitchen. One day, when the couple went to work in their garden, their dog stopped at a place and started to bark. When the couple dug that place, they found gold and silver pieces being buried there. They gathered the treasure and, after giving alms to the poor, bought themselves rice fields and corn fields and became wealthy people. Their neighbors, who were stingy old couple, envied them and borrowed their dog to see if they could find any treasure with the help of the dog. Cunningly, they prepared a feast to the dog and they led the dog out into the garden. But the dog found their cunningness to get treasure. It walked along the garden without any barking for a long time. At last, the dog stopped at a certain spot and began to sniff. They hastily dug the spot but found only dirt and nasty things. Furious at being disappointed, the old couple killed the dog. When the good old man came to know that his dog was buried at the root of a pine tree, with a heavy heart, he burned incense and adorned the grave with flowers. That night, the dog appeared to him in his sleep and instructed him to cut down the pine tree where it was buried and make it into a mortar and to use it. Thinking of it as if it were the dog itself, the old man did as he was told to do. But when he ground his rice in it, each grain of rice turned into some rich treasure. Seeing this, the wicked couple borrowed the mortar. But as soon as the envious neighbor used it, all their rice turned into filth. So in anger, they broke it and burned it. One night, the dog appeared again to the old man in his dream. It told him to sprinkle the ashes of the burnt mortar on the withered trees. The trees would revive and bloom with flowers. He obeyed the dog as instructed, bringing the dead trees to life. A certain prince utilized his power, and while the kind old man sprinkled the ash, all the dead trees revived to the life. So the prince gave him a rich reward. On hearing this, envious neighbor wanted to do. But when the envious neighbor tried to do the same idea, which may ruin the plants and then affected the prince's ace. So he got thrashing from the gods of the prince. Finally, when the good old couple heard of this, they sent for the neighbors and gave them a share of their own riches. After this, the wicked people mended their ways and led a good and virtuous lives ever after. Students, we must not have the greed. The moral of the lesson is covet all, lose all. In the next session of the video, I will give you one worksheet